Hey there, guys. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the Chap Ice Medicated Lip Balm. Okay, well, I kind of tried using this, and it's basically you know, like a cream that you put on your lips to either protect it from being chapped and dry, which is a big problem in a windy area. I live in a very windy little city, and during certain periods of the year, it gets really windy and dry, and you need something on your lips because it could get bad. It could get really bad. I mean, as far as dry, cracked lips. Yeah, so had to put something on, some kind of lip balm. That's exactly what I do. I tried to use this one. There was an issue. Well, you can also use it, first I'll tell you, you could also use this for soothing any kind of cold sore or any kind of blister or something you might have on your lips. So yeah, so you can use it for that. But the one thing, I mean, it does it. I mean, it makes it feel soft and takes away all the dryness. You feel protected and everything, and it doesn't go on too shiny, so it doesn't look like you're wearing lip gloss or anything. So I mean, you can see how it comes out. It comes out looking kind of brownish, well, yellowish, I guess. When you put it on, it acts as kind of a, like, like a lip balm, so I mean, here it kind of looks kind of shiny, but I'm using kind of a lot. I wouldn't have used that much on my lips. Yeah, and so you don't need a whole lot, to put on your lips to get it nice and soft. And then you would put this on there, rub it in a little bit, and then you move your lips together and like blend it in real good so you get that softness going. Yeah. Now, the only issue, I was very happy with it, but the only issue I had with it, I did not like how it smelled. I mean, it smells kind of like a menthol smell almost, or a mothball type of smell. I mean, it's not as strong as that, but I don't think anything that goes on your lips that you are using to, just keep your lips soft should smell like anything, because that can get annoying. That is right underneath your nose. So it's got to be really subtle if it's going to smell like anything. Now, I figured that's the medicine that's in this, because it does help to heal cold sores and things like that. So it's probably the medication that's built up inside there to help it, in the healing process. But it bothers me. I mean, the smell is too strong, and just it's not sweet or anything. It just smells medicine-y, I did not like that. I figured, okay, maybe I'll just put on just a little less than I put on before, and no, it still smells that way. It's right underneath your nose, so good luck getting away from that. It's right there. So, but other than the smell, it works very well. It really makes your lips soft. I can't get past the smell, so I stopped using it. But when I did use it, I put it on there and tried to just deal with how it was smelling. I noticed that it was very soft, my lips, and I didn't get any cracks during the day, and it was during a windy time, so everywhere was dry, and it made my lips feel soft. It was good. So, but it just did not smell good. I did not like the smell, and I don't think it's something I can get used to. But it is what it is. It does work. So that's basically the bottom line. If you just want something that will do the job, then this will do the job. It's just they haven't thought much about fragrance and how this is gonna react with your nose. So yeah, other than that, I like it. It does work, but I just can't get past the smell. All right, well, that is the Chap Ice Medicated Lip Balm. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.